Hello, and welcome to our learning tutorial on how to sign up and create an account with Tradiso. Let's begin. Welcome to Tradiso. Thank you for choosing to partner with us. We are so excited to see you start your trading journey. So let's get you started by having you sign up and create an account with Tradiso. Start by searching www.tradiso.com to find our website. Once you are on our website, please click on the button, Join Now. This will direct you to our main sign-up page. Click on the yellow sign-up text. After that, you'll need to choose your registration type, either individual or corporate, to proceed. Here, you will need to fill in the required fields to open your account. Please start by entering your first name, then your last name, your email, your country code by utilizing the drop-down menu, and your phone number. Then proceed to fill in your password, and then finally reconfirm your password again. Once you are satisfied with your details, please click on the button Continue to create your Tradiso account. Next, you will be brought to Tradiso's sign-in page. Please enter your email as well as the password you used to sign up for Tradiso. Then click Login. Once successful, you will be redirected to the personal dashboard page of your newly created Tradiso account. Congratulations! You have just successfully signed up and created your brand new account with Tradiso. This concludes our tutorial on how to sign up and create an account with Tradiso. If you are interested in learning more about Tradiso's features, or are still having trouble with your next step, please refer to our informative FAQ page under your dashboard's side menu panel, or kindly reach out to our team at support@tradiso.com, and we will be happy to assist you with any concerns. We look forward to watching you trade with confidence with Tradiso.